Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you some very beautiful and useful websites that you can use to actually share bits of your life or bits of text in very beautiful and well designed images. I use these websites all of the time and they're very useful to me. So as you can see on my screen, this is a website that helps you to share bits of your code in a very presentable way and in a very beautiful image. So it's wonderful. I see this all the time on LinkedIn, on Facebook, and I really enjoy how they're being done. So we're going to be seeing today a couple of websites that can permit you to do this very easily. So this is the first one, Snipppets. I hope I read it right. So it helps you to share your code. So this website is developed a little further. It really takes things very seriously. They have a whole pricing plan, and you can already see a little bit what they do here. So you can see even the awards they have gotten here. So I'm sure it comes with a lot of things. I really enjoy these very short forms of code. You can see from GIF here how it's going to be done. It has really a lot of customization features. So design your code as easy as it gets. So you can really share your code like this. You have a little bit of code that may seem interesting and you think people are going to love to see it, so you can just put it there and share it to whoever wants to see it. So I'm sure you may have already even seen some wallpapers with beautiful codes like this. So it's with websites like this that people are able to do that. So I enjoy this one, but I find it a little bit too complex. There's just so much going on, and so for those who like complexity, they can go ahead with this. But I think we'll just move on to the next tool, which is code.so. So this one comes with a lot of customization features. There are no accounts, there's not too much complexity going on here, but you have a lot of customizations as well. You can easily change the background and put whichever one you like, and you have custom fonts and custom sizes and basically anything you feel like doing. So this one is also very nice too. So you can go ahead with this one. You can share your code, share tips, share little bits of strings, and whatever you feel comfortable doing. So this one is definitely one that I recommend just because of all of the customization features it comes with. So let's move on to the third one. And so this is the third one, ray.so. I also like its simplicity. It's very simple and straight to the point. So it has very few customization features and it's really effective. I really enjoy this one because you can go straight ahead and put in the code and share it. You don't have to worry too much about the customization. So I just go ahead and I put my codes, and in a matter of seconds I'm done with it, and I'm already sharing my images. So I really enjoy this one, and this is the one I use particularly the most. So these websites are all geared towards code. Now the last but not the least one is another one, carbon.now.sh, which also comes with a lot of features and some additional options of sharing through social media. So you can have a look at what it looks like, how to customize it, and you can really have now a whole variety of colors that you can choose from. So this one is very good, definitely the one I recommend the most. Now in the case you are a poet or you write poems like I do sometimes and you want to share those, this is another wonderful website, poet.so, which really permits you to share those little bits of your words, those wonderful words you might have, or those inspirational quotes you may want to share with people in a very nice way. So by default on Facebook you just get the played view and maybe some backgrounds which may not be all nice, but this really gives you a cat style design which permits you to really share those things in a beautiful manner. So this one is very good, even though it has very limited customization options, but I also like it very much because in a matter of seconds I can write my codes and I share them. So the particularity of this one is that you have to put a link towards either a tweet, a LinkedIn post, or a Shopify app link. So it now fetches the information from those websites and it displays it here automatically. So you don't really get that option of really writing whatever you feel like writing on this one. So you can directly download it from here in PNG format and share it to your different socials. So this is another tool I'm going to present to you. This time around it's called tweetlet.net, and so it's an addition to poet.so, but this one comes with a lot more feature. Meanwhile, poet.so just allows you to get images from tweets. This one comes with additional features. It permits you to get the images from tweets, but also from other options like images and text. So you can go ahead and paste the link to a tweet you might have and you want to share, and it's going to generate an image from there. And so you can see the background, it generates the image easily. It has some customization options. You can put it as a tweet, you can put it as a quote, and you can really change its size, decide how the card should look like, if it should be dark, if it should be the day mode, and many other features. So I like this one because it comes with additional features, like you can put an image instead, or you can put a text. So you can just want to share a beautiful quote, so you write it down. What a wonderful quote. And then now you can resize it to match whatever size you want to. You change what it should look like, and it's very easy. It has some customization, additional customizations as compared to the previous poet.so. So I like this one because it has a lot more features. So if you're a person that wants more customization, you want more additions and more presets, you can look into other things like goposter.com, which comes with wonderful images that you can all customize. They come in different shapes and sizes, and you can really just select whatever template you want to use and customize it. It comes with some pricing as well. So the most popular of which is Canva. So Canva is a wonderful website which contains a lot of templates that are easily customizable, logos, flyers, and basically any types of designs you can imagine, they are going to be on Canva. So definitely you should check it out, and definitely you can't go without seeing whatever you want to do. So you have videos, you have YouTube banners, you have YouTube thumbnail, Instagram story, feed ad video, presentations, and much more. So yeah, you can easily find the designs to whatever things you want to do. So are you looking for a cover for your new event? Are you looking for a flyer design? Are you looking for an ad design? Anything you want to do in terms of design, you can find it on Canva. You can find free templates, paid templates on Canva, and you can easily modify them. So yeah guys, there you have it, some wonderful tools you can use to share your code in beautiful images and your sayings or your quotes or inspirational words you might have seen somewhere and you would like to share it with people. So with this website you can really share those in a very beautiful way, and it's really great for your marketing. So hope you enjoyed the video and hope that helps. Catch you on the next one.